The MELI rail by Artens stands out with its slim square design. Before starting, grab your toolbox and check you have everything you need. Check that your wall and floor are level. Measure your opening and refer to the manual. Choose a compatible door. It must close fully, weight up to 60 kilograms, be no wider than 93 centimeters, and between 25 and 40 millimeters thick. The diagram shows the height to add to your door. Here, it's 4.6 centimeters. Mark this 8 above your opening. Then, mark the offset L for the first fixing point. You have two options. Follow the manual to align the rail with the opening, or shift slightly for an overhang. Drill and insert MELI. Screw in and set them with the MELI plier. Now, let's prepare the rail. Take the bolts and screws, loosen slightly, and insert the first screws into the carriage. Make sure the screw tip doesn't stick out. Do the same with the carriage fitted with the damper. Activate the damper by pushing the tab. Insert both carriage into the same side of the rail, one after the other. Next, take the trigger finger. Loosen it slightly with the X key. Insert it into the narrow upper slot of the rail and tighten slightly to hold it. Now, the stopper blocks. Loosen them, slide them to each end of the rail and tighten them to secure. Flip the rail over. Take the black pads, peel the adhesive, and stick one behind each fixing hole. Insert the screw through the rail and into the wall. fix the first point. Use a level to align the rail. Mark one of the last fixing points, drill and insert a plug. Fix it in place. Then mark the others. Remove the rail. Drill the remaining points, insert plugs, and reinstall the rail with all fixings. Now for your door. Measure 12.5 centimeters from each edge of the door and mark it. Then, measure and mark the X1 distance from the manual. Align the brackets with your marks. Mark the screw holes. Drill into the door and attach the brackets. Repeat on the other side. Hang the door on the rail. Check the distance between the top of the rail and the top of the door on both sides. They must be equal. If not, adjust by tightening or loosening the carriage screw. When both sides are level, tighten the top bolt to lock the carriage and prevent the door from lifting. Now, install the floor guide. Check the vertical alignment of your door. Position the guide where recommended. Mark the holes, drill, insert plugs, and screw it down. If you have underfloor heating, glue it instead. Slide the door into the guide and close it. Mark the center of the hinge bracket. Measure 11.4 cm from this mark and mark again. Loosen the trigger finger. Slide it into the new mark and tighten it. Time to adjust the stoppers. Put the door in the closed position. Move the stopper so the door stops here, then tighten. Repeat for the open position. Now, clip on the front cover. Insert the top edge into the slot, then press firmly along the rail. Finally, attach the side covers. Loosen the existing screw. Slide the cover in, then tighten with a screwdriver inside the rail. Repeat on the other side. It comes with a soft close system for smoother closing, and thanks to the Artens glass door clamps, it's fully compatible with glass doors.